Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. Here are the NBA regular season standings update, game result, and the game schedule for tomorrow. For the game result, in the first game, the Boston Celtics beat the Toronto Raptors with a score of 125 over 117. Peyton Pritchard was the top scorer for the Boston Celtics with 27 points, followed by Jalen Brown scored 25 points. Sam Hova had 19 points and Derek White added 18 points. RJ Barrett and Jacob Welter was the top scorer for the Toronto Raptors with 19 points each. In the second game, the Philadelphia 76ers got their second straight win after defeating the Orlando Magic with a score of 103 over 91. Tyrese Maxey was the top scorer for the Philadelphia 76ers with 29 points, followed by Joel Embiid had 22 points and 9 rebounds. Paul George scored 18 points and 9 rebounds, and Dominic Borrallo added 11 points and 9 rebounds. Desmond Bain was the top scorer for the Orlando Magic with 23 points, followed by Anthony Black scored 21 points. The New Orleans Pelicans snapped their 9-game losing streak after defeating the Washington Wizards with a score of 128 over 107. Trey Murphy was the top scorer for the New Orleans Pelicans with 35 points, followed by Zion Williams scored 31 points. Jeremiah Fisher had 21 points and Derek Quinn made a triple-double performance of 14 points, 16 rebounds and 11 assists. Jason George and Tristan Wichekwick was the top scorer for the Washington Wizards with 15 points each. The La Clippers beat the Brooklyn Nets with a score of 121 over 105. James Harden was the top scorer for the La Clippers with 31 points, followed by Kawhi Leonard scored 26 points. Jordan Miller had 21 points and Johan Collins had 16 points. Igor Deman was the top scorer for the Brooklyn Nets with 19 points, followed by Michael Porter scored 18 points. The Oklahoma City Thunder got their second straight win after defeating the Memphis Grizzlies with a score of 117 over 116. Jalen Williams was the top scorer for the Oklahoma City Thunder with a double-double performance for 26 points and 10 assists, followed by AJ Mitchell scored 23 points. Kenrich Williams had 21 points and Aurguia Williams added 16 points. Jaren Jackson was the top scorer for the Memphis Grizzlies with 23 points, followed by Gigi Jackson scored 18 points. The Atlanta Hawks got their second straight win after defeating the Denver Nuggets with a score of 110 over 87. Jalen Johnson was the top scorer for the Atlanta Hawks with 29 points and 9 rebounds, followed by Nickeil Alexander-Walker scored 22 points. Dyson Daniels made a triple-double performance of 17 points, 11 rebounds and 10 assists, and Ono Kongu added 15 points. Peyton Watson was the top scorer for the Denver Nuggets with a double-double performance of 25 points and 11 rebounds, followed by Aaron Gordon scored 14 points. The Phoenix Suns got their second straight win after defeating the New York Knicks with a score of 112 over 107. Devin Booker was the top scorer for the Phoenix Suns with 31 points, followed by Dylan Brooker scored 27 points. Royce O'Neal had 12 points and Mark Williams added 10 points. Jalen Brunson was the top scorer for the New York Knicks with 27 points, followed by Miles Bridges scored 17 points. The Golden State Warriors got their second straight win after defeating the Sacramento Kings with a score of 137 over 103. Stephen Curry was the top scorer for the Golden State Warriors with a double-double performance of 27 points and 10 assists, followed by Anthony Melton had 19 points. Jimmy Butler scored 15 points and Brandon Podziemski added 14 points. DeRozan was the top scorer for the Sacramento Kings with 24 points, followed by Zach LaVine scored 15 points. The Portland Trailblazers got their 5-game winning streak after defeating the Houston Rockets with a score of 111 over 105. Tumani Kamar was the top scorer for the Portland Trailblazers with 25 points, followed by Shaedon Sharpe and Danny Ainge scored 20 points each, and Caleb Love added 18 points. Kevin Durant was the top scorer for the Houston Rockets with a double-double performance of 13 points and 12 rebounds, followed by Iman Thompson scored 24 points. In the last game, the Milwaukee Bucks beat the Los Angeles Lakers with a score of 105 over 101. Kevin Porter was the top scorer for the Milwaukee Bucks with 22 points, followed by Giannis Antetokounmpo scored 21 points. Kyle Kuzma had 13 points and A.J. Green added 11 points. LeBron James was the top scorer for the Los Angeles Lakers and made a double-double performance of 26 points and 10 assists with 9 rebounds, followed by Luka Doncic scored 24 points, 9 rebounds and 9 assists. And here are the NBA regular season standings update for the Eastern Conference standings. The number one in the Eastern Conference standings is Detroit Pistons with a record of 28 wins and 9 losses. The number two is Boston Celtics with a record of 24 wins and 13 losses. The number 3 is New York Knicks with a record of 24 wins and 14 losses. The number 4 is Toronto Raptors with a record of 23 wins and 16 losses. The number 5 is Philadelphia 76ers with a record of 21 wins and 15 losses. The number 6 is Miami Heat with a record of 20 wins and 17 losses. The number 7 and number 8 is Cleveland Cavaliers and Orlando Magic with a record of 21 wins and 18 losses. The number 9 is Atlanta Hawks with a record of 19 wins and 21 losses. The number 10 is Chicago Bulls with a record of 17 wins and 20 losses. The number 11 is Milwaukee Bucks with a record of 17 wins and 21 losses. The number 12 is Charlotte Hornets with a record of 13 wins and 25 losses. The number 13 is Brooklyn Nets with a record of 11 wins and 24 losses. The number 14 is Washington Wizards with a record of 10 wins and 27 losses. The number 15 is Indiana Pacers with a record of 7 wins and 31 losses. For the Western Conference standings update, the number 1 is the Western Conference standings is Oklahoma City Thunder with a record of 32 wins and 7 losses. The number 2 is San Antonio Spurs with a record of 26 wins and 11 losses. The number 3 and number 4 is Denver Nuggets and Minnesota Timberwolves with a record of 25 wins and 13 losses. The number 5 is Los Angeles Lakers with a record of 23 wins and 13 losses. The number 6 is Houston Rockets with a record of 22 wins and 13 losses. The number 7 is Phoenix Suns with a record of 23 wins and 15 losses. The number 8 is Golden State Warriors with a record of 21 wins and 18 losses. The number 9 is Portland Trailblazers with a record of 19 wins and 20 losses. The number 10 is Memphis Grizzlies with a record of 16 wins and 22 losses. The number 11 is La Clippers with a record of 14 wins and 23 losses. The number 12 is Dallas Mavericks with a record of 14 wins and 24 losses. The number 13 is Utah Jazz with a record of 13 wins and 24 losses. The number 14 is a New Orleans Pelicans with a record of 9 wins and 31 losses. The number 15 is a Sacramento Kings with a record of 8 wins and 30 losses. And here are the game schedule for tomorrow, January 11. In the first game, 2 a.m. Cleveland Cavaliers versus Minnesota Timberwolves. In the second game at 8 a.m. Indiana Pacers versus Miami Heat. In the third game at 8:30 a.m. Detroit Pistons versus La Clippers. In the fourth game at 9 a.m. Boston Celtics versus San Antonio Spurs and Chicago Bulls versus Dallas Mavericks. In the last game at 10:30 a.m. Utah Jazz versus Charlotte Hornets. Subscribe my channel for my